Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install AssuredPartners insurance, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type in the AssuredPartners website URL. Once the home page loads, locate the Get Started button. Click on the Get Started button to proceed. You will be redirected to the registration page. Fill in your personal information in the required fields. Make sure to include your name, email address, and phone number. Create a strong password for your account. Confirm your password by entering it again in the designated field. Review the terms and conditions carefully. If you agree with the terms, check the box to accept. Next, click on the Create Account button. You will receive a confirmation email shortly. Open your email inbox and find the confirmation email. Click on the link in the email to verify your account. Return to the AssuredPartners website after verification. Log in using your newly created credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Insurance Solutions section. Select the type of insurance you are interested in. Review the details and coverage options provided. Fill out the necessary application forms for your selected insurance. Provide any additional documentation if requested. After completing the application, submit it for review. You will receive a notification once your application is processed. If your application is approved, you can proceed with the payment. Choose your preferred payment method and follow the prompts. Finally, ensure you receive your policy documents via email. Your AssuredPartners insurance is now set up and ready for use. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.